Shiba Inu holders, listen up. A major price shakeup is brewing, and the next few weeks could define the future of your favorite meme coin. From predicted drops to eye-popping rebounds, today we're breaking down the forecasts that every SHIB holder needs to know. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because the ending might just blow your mind. Hello fellas watching from all corners of the globe. Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to channel for all things crypto. If it's happening in the world of cryptocurrency, you can bet we've got it covered right here. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into this fast-moving market, this channel is your ultimate crypto plug. Today, we're diving deep into the latest analysis on Shiba Inu, exploring both bearish and bullish scenarios. Let's get right into it. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let me ask you, are you ready to see what might be in store for Shiba Inu? Because whether you're a hodler, a swing trader, or someone just trying to make sense of all these charts, this video has something for you. We're talking Fibonacci retracement levels, bullish setups, and even long-term forecasts that could cancel a zero. Yes, cancel a zero. So grab your snacks, settle in, and let's unpack these wild predictions together. Before we continue, here's an important disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and come with significant risks. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Got it? Cool. Now, let's talk SHIB. Let's start with where we are right now. Shiba Inu's price has been all over the place lately. Over the past 24 hours, it's taken a dip, contributing to a 2.64% drop over the last 7 days. At the time of this recording, SHIB is trading at $0.00002053. For some, this might seem like the end of the world, especially since the token hit a high of $0.00003284 back in December 2024. But hold on, there's more to this story than meets the eye. SHIB's recent downturn isn't just a random occurrence. It aligns with the broader bearish market trend we've been seeing. However, if you've been in crypto for any length of time, you know this, corrections often set the stage for the next big move. And that's exactly what some analysts are predicting for Shiba Inu. Let's dig deeper. One of the key observations from TradingView analysts is that Shiba Inu's price movement is following an expanding diagonal pattern. Now, I know what you're thinking, what in the world is an expanding diagonal? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In simple terms, an expanding diagonal is a technical pattern that usually signals an impulsive price move, often followed by a correction. Think of it like this, the price goes up in waves, hits a peak, and then takes a breather before moving again. According to this analysis, SHIB has completed 5 waves of an impulsive move and is now in the corrective phase. And here's the juicy part, wave C, the final corrective wave, is projected to drop SHIB to around $0.00001735. Why this specific level? Because it aligns with the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, a critical area that often acts as a demand zone. In other words, this is where buyers could swoop in and scoop up SHIB at a discount, setting the stage for a significant rebound. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the more optimistic outlook. Another TradingView analysis has identified a bullish setup within a rising channel. For those of you unfamiliar with technical jargon, a rising channel is essentially a price range where the asset's value moves upward between two parallel trend lines. Here's what's exciting about this setup. The analyst has pinpointed $0.00001947 as a key support level. This level is like the safety net that could catch SHIB during a market-wide dump. In fact, SHIB already tested this level earlier this week. If the support holds, it could act as a launchpad, propelling the price to $0.00004170. That's a potential upside of 114%. Now, who wouldn't want a piece of that action? While the short-term movements are grabbing headlines, the long-term projections are where things get really exciting. According to a January 19th analysis, SHIB is still in a bullish consolidation phase. What does that mean? Essentially, despite the recent dips, the token is forming higher highs and higher lows, a classic sign of an uptrend. The analyst behind this forecast believes SHIB could experience a 580% price increase. Let me repeat that, 580%. That's not just a rally, that's life-changing for many investors. The analysis even suggests that SHIB could cancel a zero this season, climbing to $0.00013997. Imagine what that could do for your portfolio. Alright, let's take a step back for a moment. I know some of you are sitting there thinking, Zaki, this all sounds too good to be true. Is it really possible? And I get it, crypto can feel like a Wild West at times. One minute you're up 100%, and the next you're wondering if you should have just stuck to index funds. Here's my take, Shiba Inu has proven time and time again that it's more than just a meme coin. It's a community-driven project with real potential. But, and this is a big but, price predictions are just that, predictions. The market doesn't owe anyone a rally. So while it's fun to dream about SHIB hitting $0.00013997, it's equally important to stay grounded and make decisions based on data, not hype. One of Shiba Inu's biggest strengths is its community, lovingly known as the SHIB Army. These folks are some of the most passionate and dedicated supporters in the crypto space. They're not just investors, they're believers in the project's long-term vision. From promoting SHIB on social media to advocating for its adoption as a payment method, the SHIB Army is a force to be reckoned with. This community-driven approach is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it creates a strong base of support that can weather market downturns. On the other hand, it also means that the project's success is closely tied to maintaining that enthusiasm. So, if you're part of the SHIB Army, keep the faith, but also keep an eye on the fundamentals. Speaking of fundamentals, let's talk about utility and tokenomics. Shiba Inu isn't just a token, it's an ecosystem. With projects like Shiba Swap and the upcoming Shibarium blockchain, SHIB is positioning itself as more than just a speculative asset. These developments add real-world utility, which could drive demand and, ultimately, price. However, utility alone isn't enough. Tokenomics, the supply and distribution of SHIB, also play a crucial role. With a total supply in the quadrillions, SHIB faces an uphill battle in terms of scarcity. But initiatives like token burns are helping to address this issue, gradually reducing the circulating supply. The question is, will it be enough to sustain long-term growth? Only time will tell. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're officially a Shiba Inu insider. But before we move on, I have a quick favor to ask. Smash that like button if you're finding this analysis helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. What do you think about these predictions? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So, what's the takeaway here? In the short term, Shiba Inu's price might look a bit shaky. The projected dip to $0.00001735 could be nerve-wracking for some, but it's important to remember that corrections are a natural part of any market cycle. And for those willing to play the long game, the potential upside is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether it's the Fibonacci retracement levels, the bullish consolidation phase, or the strong community support, the signs are there for a possible rally.